Kelsey, and this is MEC 444 Challenge 2. So, challenge was to identify and count shapes. So the shapes that we identified were circles, squares, and triangles. And then they were various different like shades. So white, black, cardboard, things of that nature. So here's my workspace setup here. So for the challenge for this one, environment was pretty important. So controlling the environment. So here I've got a box, which ended up not being as professional as I wanted. So it's actually made out of like mini 80/20, and then essentially it just ended up with cardboard on the sides. So it's pretty stable, but it controls the light within this environment. And then USB to my laptop, and then the OpenMV camera, which is mounted to the top of the overhead. And then I use the button for this setup. So the button integration just continued on from challenge 1. So for this challenge, I actually started with each shape individually. So I started off with circles, then I moved to squares, and then I moved to triangles, and then I moved to a code that would do multi-shape. So here I'll go ahead and play the video for the circles. So here we've got the setup. So we've got the box set up on the inside there. You can see, got the circle. So this is a white circle. When I went to the lab to actually do my testing, we were out of the glossy black and the cardboard material was not there. So for these videos, I just tried to capture what was available. So this is the white circle. We'll go ahead and run the program, connect it. We'll go ahead and take the picture here. And we've got circle detected 1. We're still running the program. So, and then we've got circle detected 1. We've got the outline of our circle there. And there we've got circles. So the next one, that we did was squares. So moved on from circles, was able to successfully do that. Now we're going to move on to squares. So for the squares, similar thing. We're going to go ahead and run our program, and we can see that we've got the square inside. We're going to go ahead and take the picture. We've got one square identified. Go ahead and press the button again. Go ahead and capture the picture there, and then here is where we've got our corners identified, and then it's outlined where our square is. And then we've got our counting right there. And that is squares. Next, I went ahead and did triangles. So very similar here. So we're going to go ahead and connect here, and we're going to go ahead and play the script. Gonna go ahead, check out, we've got a camera, or we've got a triangle in there. Gonna go ahead and take the picture with our camera, and we've got the triangle. We've got triangles detected, 1. We'll go ahead and take the picture again, and we've got still detecting the 1 triangle, and we've got our triangle on the screen. Then the last part of the triangle was the challenge was the multi-shape. So here I've got circle, square, and a triangle is where I'm capturing the image. So we're going to go ahead and run the code, and we've got all of our shapes down there that we can see. Got the camera button, go ahead and press the picture. Oh, we've got to play first. Very important. Been doing this a while, so press the button, play the program, and now we've got 0 circles. Ooh, let's press this again. All right, there we go. 1 circle, 1 triangle, and it's actually doing 2 squares right there. See if we can do it once more. There, capturing image, capturing image. One and 1. So maybe I've got some work to do on this. Looks like it might be continuing my square here, but was successfully working. And that is challenge 2, counting and identifying shapes.